Hey guys, whoa! Hey guys, welcome guys, to not King Survival. You can probably see we have a little bit of a, oh wow, that was a little bit of a, different texture pack today. This is not even King Survival, this is not any of that survival rubbish. This is, well, I called it my world Bethaniative. Yeah, Bethaniative. So it's pretty much, I just went with, I literally just randomly thought up a name. I don't even know anybody named Bethany or anything. I just literally randomly thought up a name and went for it, and then, I mean, Bethaniative, creative. So yeah, that's exciting. Yeah, so I've already built a little bit. I didn't know I wanted to make the Let's Play until like literally 2 seconds ago. So yeah, we're gonna build a modern land. So as you can see, this is not modern at all. But this is gonna be my house, guys, of course. And we'll see. Ow! I just hit my ankle way too hard on that. Whew, I'm okay. I was gonna have to like pre-record then. That would have made me extra bad. This is supposed to be like a modern kind, so nah, wait, is that wait, yeah, that's the same height, okay. I just have to make it the same height. That lagged though. I thought that was like, I was gonna say, this is not a server. Why is there a person just flying around me? No, just a little pigeon. Wait, that might actually look pretty cool. 1 second, guys. Sorry, guys. My father interrupted me because we are about to eat. My mom is getting, that's actually kind of cool. Yeah, my mom is getting some food. Well, she's getting me and my father some food. I don't know if my dad's eating, but I don't know. We're getting KFC. We're getting that's not even yeah. I mean, it is modern, so I guess I could do like a window, the door, but I have to put the doors in first. And I have this really bad glitch on my Minecraft. Watch. Wait. Oh. Ah! Can't even go to my mouse. Like, I can't shift click anything. I have to like drag them and look, they're like not on my mouse bar. So, hello, pig. I like how you just like walk straight by me, like, don't mind me. I like those doors, especially. Yes, I'm fully aware that I just placed down a thing of wool because I can hear it. Y'all can't because I'm wearing headphones and I'm using a webcam, not like a fraps thing. Obviously, I'm not using fraps. What? Oh. So I still getting used to that dragging thing. That makes effort! This will look better. And And by the way, if you're wondering where I got this clear glass, it's part of the Tinker's Construct mod, I believe. What the? I don't even know right now, guys. I don't even know. I'm like in a really weird mood. It's like I don't know if I'm happy, and I don't know if I'm like sad, and I don't know if I'm mad, or I don't know. Have you ever had those days? Probably not. It's probably just me. Me, just me. And nobody gonna love me because I'm stupid. Okay. Y'all probably like, well, that was kind of a little bit awkward, but I'm not gonna judge. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. I like that, especially with that. Sorry. R.I.P. headphone users. R.I.P. headphone users. R.I.P. That was Alex voice, of course. Loves. No. La blah 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 blah. Daffy. I'm gonna stop now. I think I'm gonna stop now. That was annoying. That took so much. Wait, why am I building a house out of wool? That is probably not the smartest idea, but it's the smartest idea ever in my head. And as you can see, I have 11 subscribers now. Just, yeah, it's pretty much just my family, though. So. It's not cheating. Oh, hello, little baby horse. Hello. Somewhere else, goat. So mean. This goat is just like, well, I'm offended. Well, I am highly offended for that. It's probably not his voice, but it is in my head. I am fully offended by that. Fully offended. I'm really offended by that. She was like, now I am fully offended by that. And then a little goat and a little sheep live happily, live sad, live madly ever after. And I am fully aware of that. I have the weirdest grin on my face right now. It's like an evil grin. It's like, That just looks off. It's probably not. I mean, they're an American thing. Well, I bet they have one in England. I don't even know what I mean by they're an American thing. Oh, why did I just turn into this forever? It's daytime. I love the sunlight. So the daytime is so beautiful. Look at the sun. Run and run. To the sun, run and run. To the sun, run. To the sun, gotta run. To the sun. Ah! Yeah! He booted me! He's not gonna roll at you anymore, Pink, okay? He's not gonna roll at you anymore, okay? Yeah. He will. I swear he's a little devil lion. I have like the most normal face. I have like my thinking face on right now. It's like a fish face, but at the same time it's like not. It's like me sucking in my cheeks. Because I don't know how I'm gonna do this house. And every single other house in the block. Whew. I should have done like Bethanyville or something. Bethanyville, 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 Bethany. This looks like the worst modern house that I've ever seen. It's not even symmetrical. Why is it not even Whoa. Why is it not even symmetrical? That's disappointing. That's disappointing. I understand how you feel now, Master. Ooh. Anthony. And shame. And sheen. Anthony, what? What do you mean, Matt? What do you mean, boss? I'm fired? Because of my lack of funniness? Well, that don't make no sense. What? Oh, this is a comedy place. I can show as much comedy as y'all want. Yeah, y'all. You know, y'all. You know, y'all. You know, y'all. Yeah, y'all. Yeah. Yeah, y'all. See how cool that is, y'all. Yeah. Comedy. No. Y'all probably like, shut up right now, Missy, because you were dead. I'm dead. Because this is, I don't even know what I was doing there. It's like the worst improv ever. It's like you try to walk through that. It's like, oh look, it's a clear space. Boom! Ow! Let's go through the door now. Nope. Stay at the diamond sword. Well, this is my house now, so just act like nothing happened. Just put your normal face on, girl. Put that normal face on right now, girl. Put that normal face on. Okay. I'm way too hyper. Seriously. Wait, there's no such thing as way too hyper. Roar, tiger. Roar. Oh. Jalado. Yum. Oh! What was that? What was that? I was gonna say, wait, I need to fill into that roof. Into that roof? Wow. I need to fill in that roof. Wait, is this symmetrical? No, yeah, it's symmetrical. It's symmetrical. It's a whoa. Not the clock. Wait. I'm there. Back clock. Wait, no, I didn't get it. This is like the best feature in my house. Best feature in an American house. The claw. The claw. I made a claw in my house. Why? No idea. Should do like a glowstone claw, like a glowstone version of the claw. I think that might be awful. I think that might be pretty awful. I mean, right. That might look pretty awful. Oh, I like the glowstone. I like your glowstone, man. I like it. Oh, sure. Oh, it's like Mickey. It's like the what? Na 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 na. Like kind of like a glowstone. It's my favorite thing in the world. Glowstone is my favorite thing in the world. Oh, look at it. It's like a little chandelier. I don't know what was up with the chandelier. Is that it? No, it's not it. Oh, look at it. It's like a... Honestly, this looks awful. Oh, I just walked out of my own house. Who walks out of their own house? People who are sensible and want to go to the store. That's who. Oh, really? I didn't know that. Look. Okay. That looks awful, right? Tell me if you guys enjoy this, because this is pretty much just building and commentary. I mean, commentary is pretty much the most of it. As you can see, it's like just an improv kind of thing, you know. It's pretty much just comedy. The series, I honestly just did it for comedy, and, you know, for the laughs and the comments, and, you know, the love. And guys, if you've seen Cobble, I'm about to put up a video on how he's doing. He is still in the hospital. I know it's kind of sad. Cobble's still in the hospital because his head fell off. I don't have a picture of Cobble, but if you see my puppet show when his head fell off, yeah, that's pretty much just a follow-up on him. And what's up with him? He's perfectly fine, actually. He just kind of has the flu, and, you know, it's like, I don't know why he has the flu, though, because, like, his head fell off. He's okay, though. He's perfectly fine. Just. Yeah. Sarah Valera wants to know if he's okay. And Sarah, he is. Trust me, he is perfectly fine. Oh, and also, shout out to Sarah Valera. Yes. Love you, girl. Love ya. Alright. I hear noises. Where I hear noises, Mom? You know what? I don't care! I don't care if you hear noise, little thing. Honestly, that is, like, so rude. Why you gotta be so rude? I'm gonna get copyrighted ultimately today. No copyright intended. No copyright intended. No copyright intended. No copyright intended. Don't know what that was. What? I don't know what it was, but it was cool. Ooh, ooh. I don't know what this thing was, but it sure was cool. Whoa! No! Guys, you know what? No, your sound is not messing up. I'm just being silent right now, actually. Just kidding, guys. Your sound is not messing up at all. Not to worry you. I was just tricking ya. Yeah. So I'll see you later. Bye, guys. Bye. See ya. Later. Later. Bye.